This week, what we're bringing is we are talking about a better way to manage your insurance renewals and getting the most for the commissions that you're paying your agent. So something that a lot of people don't realize is that commercial insurance does not work the same way as your home and auto insurance. On the personal line side, companies don't care how many agents send them a quote for an account. As many agents can quote that account as you reach out to. They can all quote with the same company. Commercial insurance doesn't work that way. First to the carrier is the only agent that can get a quote with that company. So this old mindset that we've had of I'm going to get agents bidding against one another and see who has the best pricing is old, outdated, does not work, and actually puts you at a disadvantage because you may have a better agent that can provide you higher value service and higher loss control, better loss control services, HR management, have different resources that can help your business be more profitable and ultimately save you more money. But because you have multiple agents bidding carriers and they're all racing to market, then you're blocking that agent from being able to get a quote for your insurance program, which may be with the best carrier. And now that agent can't work with that carrier because another agent has raced to market and what we call blocked that market. Okay, that's one disadvantage. Disadvantage number two is that agents build relationships with underwriters, and underwriters get to know the quality of business that an agent brings to the table. Here at Prime Risk, that name means something. When you think, I've explained this in a prior video, when you think of the word prime, you're thinking the best, right? Agents know, or underwriters know, that when we're bringing a risk for a quote, we vetted that risk. We don't want to take on a bad account here. We're not going to bring them a bad account. So they know that, one, the account is either extremely clean, they've done really well, they've got proper safety programs in place, record management is great, no claims issues, and they're going to unlock their best rates for us because they know that that's a well-managed account. Or if it is an account that has had trouble in the past and we can come in, implement some of our systems, help that account perform better, underwriters know that if we're bringing it in, it's going to clean up, okay? And we can get companies to take on risks that they may otherwise not, simply because they know the systems that we're going to implement when we're hired to manage that account. Okay? Now, if we're having this discussion and I've got 4 other agents out there that we're competing against, and they've all raced to block the market, carrier selection is going to be limited. Okay? So you at that point may want to do business with me as your agent, but I can't get to the best markets because you as the customer have gone into this with the old mindset of I'm going to get agents bidding against one another for my account. That's not what needs to happen. You need to find the agent that's going to bring the most value to your business outside of the insurance product. Okay? And then we take your account to market and we want the carriers bidding for your business, not agents bidding for your business. Okay? We want that bidding war for your account to happen at the carrier level. Agents aren't the ones writing the quotes. I'm not the one giving you the pricing. The carrier is. And when you are a good, clean risk that a company knows is going to perform well, they're going to want your business. And when we present you that way to the carrier, and carriers that we go to take your account to market, then again, when the carrier knows that I'm submitting an account to them, they know it's going to be a good performing account. And if it hasn't been in the past, it's going to improve. And they may not give you that best rate for the first year or two if you've had some issues. They may make you prove yourself a little bit. But using the systems that we've put in place and following that and really helping clean up those claim situations or record management or whatever that may be, you're going to turn into a better risk and be able to get those better, higher tier rates, lower rates. I call them higher tier because we look at things gold, silver, platinum, etc. We want you to be in the best rate class. Okay? So this is the new way that insurance should be done. Okay? We want to move past the agent level. We want to get to the carrier level with an agent representing you that has good relationships with carriers, that submit very detailed submissions to these carriers when you do have to go to market, so they know exactly what they're getting into. They know a lot more about you. That story is being told thoroughly, and you have the opportunity to not only save on your insurance program, but working with an agent that provides services outside of the insurance products. Again, going back to training programs, employee handbooks, HR services, loss control services. If you have a fleet of vehicles, DOT inspection services, we have that available for fleet management. And the list just goes on. But you don't know that unless you have opened yourself up to having conversations with agents that have different ways of doing things and can provide a higher level of service and benefit to your business. That's what we've got this week. I'm available to talk. Go into my calendar, book an appointment, go to the website, request a consultation, www.primeriskinsurance.com. Button up top says request a consultation. That'll take you to my calendar. You can book an appointment. Okay? Hope this video has helped you this week. Let's do things different.